pit of our throat between the two clavicle bones. This is the center of your speaking as well as hearing. So we are going to talk about Vishuddha Chakra today. So what is communication and how does it help us? First we have to understand why at all do we communicate. Who would like to answer? First is we communicate to express ourselves. What is the other reason? We communicate so that we can interact with others and we can exchange ideas. How does communication help us? How does it help us? It helps us, number one, to modify our relationships. Yes? Because of communication, we are able to interact in our relationships. At the same time, how does it help us? It helps us to control our environment. Today, suppose in your environment, something is happening which is not conducive. You have to communicate and tell people what is not right and change it by way of convincing them. So how does it help you? It helps you control your environment. So one is it helps you in relationships, in all your relationships, not even relationships with the family and friends. It helps you to make good customers. It helps you to make your employer happy. It helps you to get success in your job. It helps you to express who you are in your relationship, in your family. It helps you to express who you are in your career also. Okay. So this is how it helps us. So number one, and finally communication helps you to live your life purpose. It helps you to live your life purpose in this world. Now this is the fifth chakra. As we have spoken about the different chakra, let us quickly revise all the chakra. Mooladhara chakra, what do? We realize that we are a body and we develop body consciousness. We realize that we are part of a community. So we are united with our family, our community. So we realize body consciousness and group consciousness in Mooladhara. Then Swadhisthana, what happens? We learn to interact one-to-one in relationships. It's just one-to-one. We realize that we do have a unique identity and we have to learn how to interact one-to-one. So Swadhisthana is what? Is your soul identity. Mooladhara is your body identity. In Manipur, what happens? You realize you have got your own opinions. You've got your own thoughts. And you have to learn to have respect for your thoughts. You have to have respect that yes, I can have opinions different from my family, different from my friends, different from my society. I am entitled to have my own opinions. So in Manipur Chakra, you realize that I have got a mind which is independent. And because of this mind, you develop power. You know, today we call knowledge is power. Knowledge is supreme. Today a leader becomes a leader only because of knowledge. Not because of his behavior, not because of his body, his actions. A leader becomes a leader only because of his knowledge. So in Manipur you realize that yes, I have got my own opinions, I respect my opinions and I am entitled to have different opinions, and because of my opinions I will be a leader in my role. So Manipur Chakra, we realize our mind. So these are the three lower chakra of body, mind, soul. These are the human chakra. Then we come to heart chakra, which is the last of the human chakra. So in heart chakra, what happens? We start detaching. Because now the time has come for us to become divine. We have to realize we are creators. People who are not evolved enough, they live in the lower chakra. For them, what is important is only food, clothing, shelter, my family, my house, it. They rarely want to think about others, about the society, about the country. But what happens in evolution, the more you evolve, spiritually, emotionally, mentally, as you take different births, you come to the heart. This is the fourth dimension. What happens in the heart chakra? You realize that compassion. You realize now it is not about soul, it's not about body, it's not about mind. You realize that I have to detach because I am not a human actually. I am just living like a human. I am a soul. So in heart chakra, you have to start detaching. Heart chakra gets blocked because of attachments, because of possessiveness, because you want to possess everything, but then the heart is blocked. But opening of the heart makes you realize, or the lessons of the heart make you realize that I will be peaceful when I start detaching. So in heart chakra, the first level starts where you start detaching. Detaching from bodily attachments, detaching from the attachments of a role. Today you are playing your bodily role and you are playing your mind role. What is your body role? Body role is your family. You have children, you have spouse, you have parents, your money, your assets, everything that is tangible about you is your body role. But what is your mind role? Mind role is what you are. You are a mother, you are a wife, you are a sister, you are a daughter. At the same time, you are an employee, you are an employer, you are a society person. This is your role. These are different roles. But in heart chakra, we start realizing I have to become detached. Detached doesn't mean that I have to leave and go. Detached means I should not be dependent on them for my well-being. They are not me. They are not me. Relationships are not me. My role is not me. So we live detached in the heart chakra. We start relinquishing our body role and our mind role in the heart chakra. Now we come to the Vishuddha chakra. This is the chakra of the Guru. Your Guru awakens in the Vishuddha chakra. You have several desires in the heart chakra for which you have come into this world. But in the Vishuddha chakra, your desires get a direction. Here the Guru is Dakshinamurti. And that is why if you see the Dakshinamurti mantra, it is like this only. Om Dakshinamurtiye Vidumahe Dhyanasthaya Dhimahi Tanno Disha Prachodaya. Give me Disha. Where I should go. There are so many desires in this world. What I have come for. So in this chakra, you realize that, that I have got a unique identity and I have to express it. Your heart chakra, you realize your life purpose, but in the Vishuddha chakra, your Guru awakens, whereby you express your life purpose and you get a direction. So this is the chakra of the Guru. So the challenge of the heart chakra, the challenge of the Vishuddha chakra is to be able to express yourself fully. Express yourself without inhibition. Express yourself without the fear of other person hurting you, putting you down, rejecting you, suppressing your voice. That is the challenge of the heart chakra, where you are able to express yourself completely and modify your surroundings. So how to go about it? So first you have to understand that what stops us from expressing, why we are not able to express in the throat chakra. What is the reason we are not able to express?
Fear.
Yes. What kind of fear? There are several fears in the heart chakra, in the Vishuddha chakra, which we are going to take up one by one. Majority is fear of expression. And there are many reasons of this fear of expression. But till we don't bring them out, what stops me from expressing, we can't deal with that enemy. Yes or no? So we have to first know what is our fear. Only after that we will be able to deal with that fear. So before we start dealing with those fears, let us understand more about the Vishuddha chakra. Physically, it governs your throat. your upper lungs, your hands, your shoulders. Today, if your Vishuddha chakra is blocked, you'll always have sore throat. You'll find that I have got a sensitive throat. I have to, not drink hot water, I don't have to do this. Because your throat, all the time is sensitive. At the same time, you will have pain in the shoulders, pain at the back. You will be prone to sleep issues, insomnia. Because you actually sleep in your throat. At the same time, asthma. It happens because of this chakra. Thyroid, hyperthyroid, hypothyroid. They happen because of this chakra. Why it happens? Because you have so much of inbuilt frustration, helplessness, anxiety, because you are not able to express. So we have to deal with why we are not able to express, because keeping quiet is not the solution. At the same time, blurting everything that is in our heart is also not the solution. We can't just say, okay fine, don't keep in your heart, say everything. That is also not the solution. So what we should do so that we are able to express what is in our heart and keep our throat chakra open. So if this chakra is imbalanced, what we have learned is that we develop these diseases. At the same time, this chakra has got two states, overactive and underactive. If it is overactive, the person always feels that I have to try extra hard to convince the other person. He talks too much, he is dogmatic. He is very rigid in what he talks. He doesn't want to listen to others. He always tries to drown the noise of the other person. Because he feels, if I let the other person speak, my voice will not be heard. So he's all the time, something like parents, they tell their children, I have told you I want 90% finished. No more arguments. Not listening to the child. I have problems in studying, I can't do this, I can't understand the subject. I just want results, finished. The employer will come and tell everybody, I want this project to be over, finished. And by the time evening it's not over, everybody gets a nice bomb blast. But is it going to help? No. So, overactive means you are trying extra hard and you don't want to hear others. And second is underactive. Underactive means you are timid, you are shy, you are anxious, always inconsistent, wavering. So what happens is, you try not to speak. You feel, मैं बोलता हूँ कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है, इससे अच्छा let me be silent listener. कब तक चलेगा? कब तक? इस जन्म में नहीं तो अगले जन्म में, अगले जन्म में, अगले जन्म में. You can't escape, no? जैसे एक जोक है, दो सरदार जी ना अपनी लाइफ से बहुत दुखी हो जाते हैं संता बनता कि टू मच, इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स, इतने फेलियर्स आ रहे हैं, एक काम करते हैं सुसाइड ही कर लेते हैं. तो जाते हैं ऊपर और कहते हैं लेट अस कमिट सुसाइड. बस कूदने वाले होते हैं. संता कहता है सुन बंटा, मुझे केजी से नहीं शुरू करना, मुझे केजी से नहीं शुरू करना. सो दिस इज द रियल फैक्ट. आप कब तक बचोगे? कब तक सोचोगे मैं बात नहीं करूंगा, लेट मी नॉट टॉक, लेट मी बी इन अ कंफर्टेबल जोन? क्योंकि जब हम बात नहीं करते ना, जिस दिन मुंह खोलते हैं ना, तो ज्वालामुखी आता है. उससे जो जितनी गड़बड़ नहीं हुई होती है, वो एक ही दिन में सब हो जाता है. So even that is not a solution. So what is the solution? Solution जो है ना, वो विशुद्ध चक्र के नाम में है. विशुद्ध. ये चक्र चाहता है कि you have to be शुद्ध, प्योर, utterly प्योर. तभी आप बात कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि विशुद्ध चक्र में आप सोचो कि हम बात कहाँ से करते हैं. हमारे तो 3 एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, एक्चुअली 4 हैं, पर हम इजी के लिए 3 बोलते हैं. एक्चुअली है बॉडी, माइंड, सोल, सेंसेस, पर इजी के लिए हम बॉडी, माइंड, सोल बोलते हैं. तो हम विशुद्ध चक्र में कहाँ से बात करते हैं? बॉडी से बात करते हैं, माइंड से बात करते हैं, सोल से बात करते हैं. सी अंडरस्टैंड, माइंड से बात करेंगे ना तो हम इतनी जल्दी बात ही नहीं कर सकते, हमें सोचना पड़ेगा. आज मैं आपको सडनली बोलूँ व्हाट इज 12 + 18, यू कैन आंसर दैट फास्ट. But I will say, what's your name? You just tell your name. So immediately you say yes, no. Mind तो आ ही नहीं सकता picture. So understand, you don't speak from your body, you don't speak with your mind, but you speak with your soul. But आपके soul ने किसके साथ association किया है? See, understand, we are three aspects, but we have a free will. Do you want to associate with your body? Do you want to associate with your mind? Or do you want to associate with your soul? ये आपकी चॉइस है. आप बॉडी के साथ एसोसिएट करोगे, आपको सारे बॉडी के अटैचमेंट्स, फियर्स के साथ एसोसिएट करोगे. आप माइंड के साथ करोगे, आप अपने रोल के साथ एसोसिएट करोगे. सोल के साथ एसोसिएट करोगे, भगवान के साथ एसोसिएट करोगे. सो वी ऑलवेज हैव अ चॉइस. आपको पता है कोई भी सिचुएशन में हमारे पास चॉइस होती है, इससे लड़ो कि माफ करो. सोल कहता है माफ करो, बॉडी कहती है लड़, माइंड कहता है लड़. सो अंडरस्टैंड, इट इज अवर चॉइस किसके साथ एसोसिएट होना है. सो द चैलेंज ऑफ द विशुद्ध चक्र इज एक्चुअली वी हैव टू बिकम प्योर. हम तभी बात कर पाएंगे जब हम अंदर से शुद्ध हो जाए. एंड इट इज एक्चुअली नॉट डिफिकल्ट. Chakra Yoga, we don't believe in just giving lectures, become pure. Okay, fine, I'm ready to become pure. No, we discuss practical methods. How can we become pure? क्योंकि आज we realize कि हमारे अंदर बहुत नेगेटिविटी है. आज लोगों के अंदर लोगों के लिए नेगेटिविटी है, बहुत सारा उनके लिए डाउट है, एंगर है, हेट्रेड है, रेज है. How can I just become pure? But विशुद्ध चक्र में we have to realize one major lesson. In Vishuddha Chakra, a soul talks to a soul. A soul convinces a soul. Till we don't interact at the soul level, the communication will not be done. We have to understand, Vishuddha Chakra is the center of our word of honor, of our willpower, of our faith. आज जब तक आपके अंदर फेथ नहीं होगा खुद पे, खुद के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होगा, विल पावर नहीं होगा, यू डोंट ऑनर योर वर्ड्स टू योरसेल्फ, यू डोंट टेल ट्रुथ टू योरसेल्फ. पहले खुद से शुरू करो, फिर बाहर की दुनिया को देखो. आज अगर हम खुद से ही सच नहीं बोलते हैं तो ये चक्र बंद हो जाता है, इट गेट्स ब्लॉक्ड. फिर हमको आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड में वही मैनिफेस्टेशन दिखता है. सो द चैलेंज ऑफ दिस चक्र इज we have to first honor ourselves. We have to totally respect and honor ourselves, and we have to be first true to ourselves. What do you mean by true to ourselves? True to ourselves means, आज हमें लगता है झूठ बोलना तो बहुत आसान है. कोई हमारे अंदर जाके जो झांक नहीं सकता, ये झूठ बोल रहा है कि सच बोल रहा है. हम तो इजीली झूठ बोल सकते हैं. हाँ मैं गया था, हाँ मैंने किया था, मैं फोन कर ही रहा था, तुम्हारा फोन मिल नहीं रहा था. Right? For us to tell lies is very easy. It's very difficult to actually unearth कि कौन झूठ बोल रहा है. Yes or no? But understand कि आपके अंदर का जो सोल है वो सफर करता है when you tell lies. आपका चक्र ब्लॉक होता है. You wonder कि मुझे थायराइड क्यों हो रहा है, बार-बार गला क्यों खराब हो रहा है. आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं. सामने वाले को नहीं पता लग रहा है. But you are feeling, you are realizing that you are telling the lies. तो सबसे पहली शुरुआत होती है स्पीक ओनली द ट्रूथ. फिर हम झूठ बोलते हैं क्यों है? बिकॉज वी आर स्कैर्ड. डर के कारण ही तो झूठ बोलते हैं. एक बच्चा झूठ क्यों बोलता है पेरेंट्स को? व्हाई डज अ चाइल्ड टेल लाइज? बिकॉज ही वांट्स कि पेरेंट्स उसके बारे में अच्छा सोचें, उसको डांटे नहीं. यस और नो? पर वो फियर से निकलना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट फियर that something wrong will happen if I tell lies. In fact, it is very easy to tell the truth. It's very difficult to tell the lie. Actually, बहुत difficult. तभी तो lie detector machine निकल गई है. इतने सारे हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस होते हैं बॉडी में जब आप झूठ बोलते हो कि मशीन डिटेक्ट कर लेती है कि ये तो झूठ बोल रहा है. और सच बोलना इतना इजी है कि बॉडी डिटेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाती. सो अंडरस्टैंड करो कि आपको लगता है झूठ बोलना बहुत इजी है, मेरे को फायदा हो रहा है आउटसाइड में, आसपास मेरी फैमिली है, सब खुश है. बट अंडरस्टैंड इट इज हार्मिंग, इट्स हार्मिंग योर कॉन्फिडेंस. आज अगर आप झूठ बोलते हो ना, आप रियलाइज करो आप आंख में आंख देख के बात ही नहीं कर पाओगे. आप सोच रहे हो कि मैंने अच्छा है, बढ़िया, इसको झूठ बोल दिया, ये मेरे से नाराज नहीं है. बट एक्चुअली आप नजर से नजर नहीं मिला सकते, क्योंकि शीशे से कैसे भागोगे. तो फर्स्ट चैलेंज ऑफ विशुद्ध चक्र इज स्पीक ओनली द ट्रूथ. डिफिकल्ट तो नहीं है, कर सकते हैं. कल जो झूठ बोल दिया ना, जाने दो, इट्स ओके, माफ किया खुद को. हम तो खुद को कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. खुद को माफ किया, अब से नहीं बोल. सेकेंड, अपना शब्द दिया है, शब्द, आई विल बी विथ यू, मैं तुम्हारे साथ रहूंगा, आई विल डू दिस फॉर यू, मैं तुम्हारे लिए पता करके बताता हूँ, आई एम प्रेजेंट फॉर यू। अगर आपने किसी को शब्द दिया है, वेदर इन वर्ड्स और वेदर इन डीड्स और वेदर इन एक्शन, ऑलवेज ऑनर इट। इफ यू डोंट ऑनर, यू सफर, यू सफर। आपको लगेगा मैं बच गया, you will give lot of explanation to yourself, but you will not be able to face. You will wonder मुझे थायराइड क्यों हो रहा है, मेरे को नींद क्यों नहीं आ रही है, मेरी तो ये मजबूरी थी, मैं तो गलत नहीं था, that's why I was not able to honor। तो कहाँ भाग कर जाओगे? Because जब आप किसी को dishonor करते हो, you don't honor your words, it cuts to the psyche of that person, it betrays that person and it hurts you।
Sometimes when you try to speak with a person, he doesn't allow you to speak at all। वही आगे रहता है हमेशा। लोग के साथ कैसे डील करते हैं?
Yes, good question. But what happens is if you are not able to honor your commitment, see you have to be true from your side. आज आपने अगर किसी को शब्द दिया है, for some reason you are not able to hold it on, आपकी बहुत सीवियर मजबूरी हो जाती है, you are not able to do it। आप अगर genuine उसको regret feel करोगे, genuine, if you are pure and you are genuine, and you go and tell the person on his face, not by SMS, not by letter and not via, that person will believe, वो believe करेगा। If you are not able to honor for some very very serious reason, आपके अंदर एक feeling होनी चाहिए, you should be able to convey to that person। होता क्या है, suppose we are not able to honor our word of honor, किसी दोस्त को दिया है, किसी गर्लफ्रेंड को दिया है, किसी कंपनी को दिया है, अपने जॉब को दिया है, कुछ भी दिया है, but for some reason we are not able to honor, we should have that guts to go to that person। It requires guts at that time, willpower at that time, but we should go to that person or then genuinely tell that I understand, I am doing this, I am extremely sorry for it, and you should accept the consequences to go that। You should be ready, your soul should feel for the other soul। When you are genuine, पता लगता है, जैसे पिक्चर में डायलॉग था ना, जब दिल से आवाज आएगी ना माफ करूंगा, बॉडी से माफ नहीं करूंगा, दिल से आएगी ना मैं माफ करूंगा, पता लगता है कि ये पर्सन सच बोल रहा है। सो ऑनरिंग वर्ड्स इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इट डजंट मैटर आपने किसको ऑनर नहीं किया, इट कुड बी योर पियन, इट कुड बी योर ड्राइवर, इट कुड बी एनी पर्सन जो आपको लगता है सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है, बट यू वोंट रियलाइज द मैसिव इम्पैक्ट इट मेक्स on your chakra if you don't honor the words। So from today decide, today if I have given a word of honor to anybody, I am going to live by it। Even if I have told my child, मैं जाऊंगा तुम्हारे लिए ये लेकर आऊंगा, we should not forget about it। चल बच्चा है, क्या है, रोएगा, he will forget about it। We have to tell the child, बेटा I got late, I didn't get it, but I promise at the next available opportunity I will get it। It could be a child, it could be your peer, it could be your driver, it could be anybody। But if you have given your word कि हाँ मैं लाऊंगा, you cannot just ignore it। You have to decide I am going to honor it। आज जब आप अपने शब्द को ऑनर करते हो ना, आपके अंदर एक चीज आती है जिसको बोलते हैं विल पावर। क्योंकि अपने शब्द को ऑनर करने के लिए we need will power। That will power is used in many different aspects of your life, even when you negotiate with anybody। It's willpower। When why do people blink faster or why do they give up easily? Because they have no willpower। और ये छोटे छोटे इंसिडेंट्स हैं जो बड़े बड़े आंसर्स लेके आते हैं। आज अगर आपके शब्द में पावर है, आपके शब्द में सच्चाई है, और दूसरा पर्सन इमीडिएटली आपकी बात से कन्विंस हो रहा है, the only thing is this only, you speak the truth, you honor your words and you live your willpower। It is so important for this chakra। छोटी छोटी चीजें ही बड़ी बड़ी चीजें बनाती हैं। आज अगर महात्मा गांधी हुए या बड़े बड़े दुनिया के लीडर्स हुए, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि वो घर में अलग थे, बाहर अलग थे, दे आर सेम। वो टोटली इन एंड आउट, दे आर सेम। सो यू हैव टू बिकम दैट प्योर इन विशुद्ध चक्र। और एक विशुद्ध चक्र में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक चीज रिसाइड करती है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट विशुद्ध चक्र। That thing what resides in विशुद्ध चक्र is guilt। अब इस चीज को ध्यान से समझो। Because if you are able to understand, lot of people will have Vishuddha Chakra block, but it will open up. गिल्ट क्या होता है? गिल्ट आज एक टिपिकल सिनेरियो लो. People always say, I work so hard in my company, but I don't get promotion. मैं इतनी मेहनत करता हूँ अपनी बिजनेस में, somehow कस्टमर्स नहीं आते, कस्टमर्स चले जाते हैं. बच्चा कहता है मैं इतनी पढ़ाई करता हूँ सवेरे से शाम. मदर भी कहती है मेरे बच्चे ने इतनी पढ़ाई की, but he is not getting result. Do you understand? ये जो सिनेरियो है, और हम उनसे पूछे कि why, क्यों नहीं मिलती तुमको प्रमोशन? Why you are not getting success? क्यों एग्जाम्स में मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे? What is their typical answer? I don't know. I don't know. You judge. So when people come to me like this, I ask them कि क्या आपके बॉस को आपसे ज्यादती दुश्मनी है? क्या आपके टीचर को ज्यादती दुश्मनी है? क्या आपके जो कस्टमर्स हैं आपको ज्यादती पसंद नहीं करते? What is the reason? They say I don't know. Understand it is guilt. ये गिल्ट है. आपका परफॉर्मेंस इज नॉट अप टू स्टैंडर्ड एंड यू आर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग इट. जिस दिन आपने ये गिल्ट रियलाइज कर लिया ना, यू विल बी आउट. यू विल बी आउट ऑफ दिस गिल्ट. आज अगर आपको अपने जॉब में सक्सेस नहीं मिल रही है, आज आपके रिलेशनशिप्स में यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, आज इन योर बिजनेस यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ सक्सेस, एक्सेप्ट इट इज मी. एक्सेप्ट इट. इसमें बहुत करेज चाहिए, बहुत विल पावर चाहिए. टुडे आई एम नॉट गेटिंग प्रमोशन इन माय जॉब बिकॉज द वे आई एम डूइंग माय विजडम इज लेस. मैं जिस टाइप से काम कर रहा हूँ इट इज लेस. मेरे काम करने का तरीका बदलना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट एबल टू हैंडल पॉलिटिक्स, आई एम नॉट एबल टू हैंडल रिलेशनशिप्स, आई एम नॉट एबल टू हैंडल पीपल. ज़्यादा काम आता है मैं दौड़ जाता हूँ, आई रन अवे. आपको सब कुछ पता है हाउ टू डू इट, यू नो एवरीथिंग. बट व्हाट हैपेंस, you find solace telling your wife, telling your family. फैमिली भी कहती है इतनी मेहनत करते हैं इनको सक्सेस ही नहीं मिलती. फिर एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास जाते हैं, एस्ट्रोलॉजर कहते हैं हाँ इनको तो राजयोग ही नहीं है, ये कुछ भी मेहनत करेंगे इनको कभी सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगा. Come on, how is it possible? This universe is exact. आप मेहनत करोगे you will get success. It is impossible that your efforts are right and you are not getting success. It's just like sitting in an exam. आज बच्चा अगर पेपर ठीक से सॉल्व करता है, his answers are as per the requirement of the subject, won't he get marks? Yes or no? It's high time the student realizes that today it is not the astrologer or it is not my boss, it is not the customer, it is me. If your children are not doing well in studies, it is you. Accept it. आज अगर आपके बच्चे भी लाइन में नहीं है ना, it is you. Accept करो. जिस दिन आप accept नहीं करोगे, it requires a lot of courage to accept. But understand.
Does the soul have a destiny? Does the soul have a destiny?
See, understand. The soul has come only for living a life purpose. It doesn't have a destiny. It has just come to enjoy and live its life purpose. But life के जो situations हैं, वो कोई लिखे नहीं है. They are being thrown to you as per the choices you are making every moment. It is something like एक गेम आप खेल रहे हो. मैंने लाइफ में बस एक या दो कंप्यूटर गेम खेले, तो मैं एग्जाम्पल आपको प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया का देती हूँ. एक गेम होता है प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया. उसमें दैट लैड हैज टू ट्रैवल अप एंड ही हैज टू सेव द प्रिंसेस. तो उसमें क्या होता है, एवरी टाइम he makes a choice whether I should go here, here, here. A new choice is thrown. कहीं पर उसको मैजिक पोशन मिलता है, कहीं जहर मिलता है, कहीं he has to fight with fighters. तो लाइफ में 3 या 4 ऑप्शंस नहीं होते, मिलियन ऑप्शंस होते हैं. आप इधर जाओगे, इधर जाओगे, इधर जाओगे, कहीं नहीं जाओगे. चारों में एक एक चॉइस पैदा होती है. But it is all planned actually. But it is as per your choice, a new destiny starts coming. As per your choice, it's not written. बट एज पर योर चॉइस आपका रास्ता अलग अलग बनता जाता है. बट ओवरऑल अगर आप बर्ड्स आई व्यू से देखोगे, योर रास्ता विल बी टुवर्ड्स योर डेस्टिनी. वो ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा हो सकता है, बट फाइनली इट विल बी टुवर्ड्स द डेस्टिनी व्हाट यू हैव कम फॉर.
So does that mean that destiny is
Destiny is only the life purpose. What you have come for? Have you come to become a good king? Have you come to invent something? Have you come to give to the world by way of your art, by way of your writing, by way of your poetry? According to that, where you are born, everything is chosen. You don't have a choice. In your parents, in your family, in your talents, in your physical body, आपके पास कोई choice नहीं है. It is fixed. Better accept it. Definitely. So what happens is that understand that soul has got a particular destiny. So we have to understand that guilt एक इतनी बड़ी चीज है जो सबके अंदर रिसाइड करती है. आज एक माँ के अंदर रिसाइड करती है जो उसको लगता है कि मैंने बच्चों को उतना टाइम नहीं दिया. और आप एक चीज समझो, गिल्ट का क्या फीचर है, ये बार बार सामने आता है, बार बार सामने आता है. बच्चे आके बोलते हैं आपने तो मुझे टाइम नहीं दिया, आपने मेरे लिए क्या किया. आज अगर आपके बच्चे आके आपको बोलते हैं आपने मेरे लिए क्या किया, अंडरस्टैंड इट इज योर गिल्ट विच इज मेकिंग द चाइल्ड कम टू यू. टुडे द कंपनी इज बार बार गिविंग यू डिमोशन और नॉट गिविंग यू प्रमोशन. इट इज योर गिल्ट विच इज कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. As today customers are not coming back or you don't have that kind of customers, your guilt is coming to you. Wherever you feel you have not lived up to your expectations, the guilt is coming in front of you. And guilt जो है ना, understand. I didn't get this. Yeah, guilt comes in front of you means finally you have to address the guilt. You have to finally address the guilt. So whatever is the topic of the guilt, it keeps on coming to you and troubling you. Like suppose you have a guilt that I have not given enough time to my child, or I have not been good as a wife, or I have not been good as a daughter-in-law, or I have not done well in my company. I am not able to handle the work. आज इतना ज़्यादा काम आ गया है, I am not able to handle the pressure of the work. मुझे लगता है I am not that intelligent and I am not able to handle. But you are hiding it. You are not accepting it. But it is residing inside you like a guilt. Now what happens, that situation keeps on coming in front of you, like a guilt. It keeps on coming that I have done wrong. I am talking about very small incidents, but it could be very, very severe incidents also, by which that guilt can keep on coming to you. Now it could be any action that you have taken, even without your much knowledge. आपने कोई action, like I'll tell you one typical example. I had a client who came to me. He said that in his case what happened was, he took certain decision because of which, one relative of his was very ill. And he had just been discharged from the hospital. He just took a decision that let me move him to Bombay. He took a decision, let me move him to Bombay. But what happens on way back, he expired. Now this person, he says, what could I do? What could I do? But what happens is, every time through the relatives of that person, he is hearing, you are at fault, you are at fault, you are at fault. And he is coming to me and telling me, man, what can I do? I told that, the other relatives also agreed. But what can I do? The person died. What can I do? I can't do anything. I told him, face the guilt. Face the guilt. Face the guilt that yes, I should have thought that this person has just come back from the hospital and he needs to rest. Why should I unnecessarily tell them to bring him to Bombay and trouble him further? Let him rest first. Face the guilt. If you are a mother and you feel I have not given enough time to my child, face the guilt. If you feel I have not done well in my career, I couldn't do it, it is too much demanding, I am not that intelligent, I don't think my education is sufficient, face the guilt. If you are a businessman and you feel that somehow my business is not going as per I want, I am not able to handle my employees, I am not able to handle my customers, I have too many distractions in my mind, I am all the time thinking of this, pleasures, I am not able to do it, face the guilt. Because what happens is, the moment you face the guilt, you realize the guilt. When you realize the guilt, you release the guilt. Because जो guilt का जो ego है, ego of guilt क्या करता है, आपको दिखाता है you've done a mistake and then quickly it justifies it. What happens? Because of the justification, you are not able to release it. Because of not facing, you are not able to release. Because the guilt is there, you are not able to go away from it. Are you understanding? क्योंकि आपके अंदर गिल्ट है, आप वो चीज से दूर भाग नहीं पा रहे. You are not able to just leave and do something else. It is coming on to you all the time. You have people telling you you are at fault, you are at fault, you are at fault. Because you are not facing it. It is like a ritti in your chitta. So continuously you are attracting people who are telling you you are guilty, you are guilty, you are guilty. Because there is a guilt. But because you have not looked at the guilt, you can't release the guilt. So the moment you release the guilt, उसको देखो, बड़ा करेक्ट चाहिए. आपका ईगो कहेगा नो नो नो, यू आर नॉट एट फॉल्ट. तूने कितनी मेहनत की, इंटेलिजेंस नहीं है तो क्या है, कितनी तो मेहनत की. रोज जाता है, शाम को आता है, पढ़ाई करता है 8-8 घंटे. यू हैव डन सो मच. यू से नो, आई एम एट फॉल्ट, आई वांट टू लुक एट द गिल्ट फर्स्ट. उसको देखो. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी यूजफुल क्लेंजिंग एक्सरसाइज. जस्ट राइट डाउन, बचपन से लेकर अभी तक आपको जितना गिल्ट होता है, whether it is in regard to your parents, how I have treated my parents, or how I have done my work, how I have done my studies, whether I gave my board exams with full concentration, or whether I got diverted into my friends. एक एक गिल्ट को देखो, एक एक. मैंने पढ़ाई ठीक से नहीं की, मैंने प्रॉपर जगह कॉलेज पे नहीं गया, मैंने जबरदस्ती पेरेंट्स से खूब खर्चे करवाए. एक एक गिल्ट को देखो. I married without my parents' permission. My parents, I hurt them. I hurt my parents. I made them ashamed in society. जो अंदर एक एक guilt है. What I did with my wife, what I did with my kids. Maybe my job was so much traveling, I couldn't give time to my kids. एक एक guilt को देखो, एक एक. It is the biggest cleansing exercise you could ever do. देखो and magnify it. देखो कोई भी आप चीज को ना इग्नोर करके वो कभी नहीं निकलती है. उसको मैग्नीफाई करो. आपको लग रहा है इतना सा, उसको इतना बड़ा सोचो. इतना बड़ा गिल्ट, उसको गिल्ट को मैग्नीफाई करो और उसको बाहर आने दो. बाहर. ओ गॉड, मैंने ये भी नहीं किया, मैंने कितना दुखी किया अपने बच्चों को. आपका ईगो कहेगा नहीं नहीं, बच्चे तो अच्छे निकले, वाइफ थी देखने के लिए. आई डिड माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. से नो, मैंने गलत किया, मैं देख सकता था, बट आई गेव प्रायोरिटी टू दिस. मेरे अंदर जो गिल्ट है, एक गिल्ट को आज तक देखो. जब आप उसको देखोगे तब आप उसको रिलीज कर पाओगे. और अगर आपके आंखों से आंसू आते हैं, सोचो आप भूल गए. सोचो आप भूल गए. और जब आपका जो गिल्ट निकल जाता है, जब आपका गिल्ट निकल जाता है, उसके बाद रियलाइज करो ये गिल्ट जो है वो डेफिनेशन आपकी है. ये तो आपकी डेफिनेशन है. किसने कहा गलत है? किसने कहा गलत है? टुडे इफ यू फील गिल्टी कि आज मैंने उतनी पढ़ाई नहीं की, इट इज योर डेफिनेशन. यू कुड डू इट, बट इट इज योर डेफिनेशन टू बी गिल्टी. टुडे इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू गिव टाइम टू योर किड्स, fine, you gave lot of time to your other work, but the definition of guilt is your guilt. If you took your relative to Bombay, it is your definition that he died. You didn't bring upon his death. It was a wrong decision, but you are not guilty. Yes or no? Yes, कुदरत में, कायनात में, there is no judge. The real fact is, there is nobody telling you what is right and what is wrong. तभी ना कोई धर्म है, ना कोई अधर्म है, ना कुछ गलत है, ना कुछ सही है, ना कुछ मॉरल है, ना कुछ इमोरल है. There is no actually thing which is wrong and there is nothing which is right. You are the judge of your life. If you say it is wrong, so be it. If you say right, so be it. कुछ धर्म में चींटी को मारना भी बहुत बड़ा है, और कुछ धर्म में बड़ी बड़ी गायों को या मार के भी it is offering to God. So understand there is nothing right and there is nothing. गिल्ट जो है वो आपकी डेफिनेशन है, पर क्योंकि आपने खुद को गिल्टी करार किया है, आपको आपको रियलाइज तो करना पड़ेगा ना, रिलीज तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना रियलाइज करके, यस और नो? तो दिस विल हेल्प यू टू ओपन अप योर विशुद्ध चक्र। तब जाके क्या होगा, यू विल डेवलप समथिंग कॉल्ड सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। जो सेल्फ एस्टीम है, इट रिसाइड्स इन स्वादिष्टा, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट रिसाइड्स इन मणिपुर, एंड सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस रिसाइड्स इन थ्रोट चक्र। तो जिस दिन आपके अंदर एक यू रिलीज दिस गिल्ट एंड देन यू आर टोटली फ्री, यू आर टोटली प्योर। जब आप खुद को किसी भी वे में गिल्टी करार नहीं कर रहे हो, यू विल डेवलप द विजडम हाउ टू हैंडल इट। You will be able to see, yes, I did not handle my work properly, but today if my company has selected me for this job, I can do it. They have seen the potential in me. Who am I to tell I am less? Let me open up myself to getting the wisdom. Let me open myself to getting downloaded and what I have to do in this life. How I have to carry. Can you just wake her up? Can you just wake this lady up? Yeah. Okay? So understand that only when you release this, you will be able to find a solution. Otherwise, you will be in a loop. Telling yourself guilty, justifying. Telling, justifying. जो गिल्ट है वो दूर जाने नहीं देगा और जस्टिफिकेशन पास आने नहीं देगा। बार बार आते रहेंगे, आप बचे नहीं पाओगे।
ऐसा हो गया
What happens is that when we have guilt, let's not waste time. आज अगर आपको लगता है कि मैंने कुछ गलत किया है किसी के साथ, फटाफट जाकर उसको सॉरी कर दो, खुद को माफ कर दो। आपका विशुद्ध जो खुलेगा, जब आप खुद को फेस कर सकते हो आईने में, जो आपके अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस और पावर आएगा, इट विल हेल्प यू इन एक्सप्रेशन। ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट रिसाइड्स इन विशुद्ध चक्र, गिल्ट। सो दैट इज विशुद्ध चक्र का एम है, यू हैव टू बिकम प्योर। आपको प्योर बनना है। टू बिकम प्योर, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज, the real fact is, number one, yes, you don't have to be guilty. At the same time, you have to honor your words. You should not be telling lies. And most important is, you should be associating with the pure part of yourself, which is the soul. You can always associate with the body and the mind. But finally, Vishuddha Chakra mein, we have to associate ourselves with our soul. What do you mean by associate ourselves with the soul? When you meditate, जब आप meditate करते हो, so you are totally in silence, you are able to see that serene, quiet part of yourself, yes or no? वो serene, quiet part of yourself is your pure soul. और जो आपका body और mind के साथ associate करोगे, तो body के अंदर तो बहुत सारे fears हैं, competition है, jealousy है, survival है, mind के अंदर भी खूब सारे competition है, jealousy है, survival है। पर जब आप सोल के साथ एसोसिएट करोगे, यू आर ऑलवेज प्योर। सो नाउ लेट अस कम टू व्हाई वी हैव अ फियर ऑफ स्पीकिंग। Actually, I have not said you never acknowledge the guilt. I said you should not feel guilty about it. Today, as we said, like this here we have done in a more deeper manner. We cannot bypass any guilt. In Mooladhara Chakra, what I said was that if we have got a guilt related to our parents, that I have not served my parents or I have not done enough for it, you have to release it. You don't have to think about it, you have to release it, because again it is your definition. It is your definition, it is what is fed to you that I have to do it. It is actually your definition. But every single guilt has to be acknowledged. Only after that it will be released. And the only way to acknowledge guilt is by tears. Guilt बिना tears के कभी बाहर नहीं। जिस दिन आपके आंसू गिरेंगे, आप समझ जाना मेरा गिल्ट उसी दिन है धुल गया. So, let us do a meditation. Basically, what is the fear of speaking up in Vishuddha Chakra? Why we are not able to speak up in Vishuddha Chakra? What happens? What controls us when we want to speak in Vishuddha Chakra? It actually starts from childhood. जब हम बड़े हो रहे होते हैं, we are not allowed to express. It depends on the family condition where we are staying. We are all the time told to keep our feelings inside. Because of whatever the surroundings of the family, we are not able to express ourselves. We keep on comparing ourselves with others. And basically we are not able to express. Now slowly as we keep on growing, right, we start keeping our feelings inside. And we start feeling that if I express myself, I will be either shamed, I will be ridiculed, I will be put down, I will be dishonored. So we start developing these fears of speaking up. So what other fears stop us from speaking? Who would like to say?
Fear of shock. Fear of shock. I mean, if we speak up, we'll get shocked because of the response of the other person.
You can say fear of conflicts, fear of debates. अगर वो पर्सन जोर जोर से बोलने लग गया, मैं खुद को कैसे डिफेंड कर पाऊंगा? So you can say it's a fear of being traumatized. So it's a fear of conflicts, fear of dishonor. आज एक बच्चा जो है खड़ा हुआ क्लास में क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए, उसने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा और पूरी क्लास हंस दी. टीचर ने कहा what stupid question you have asked. वो बच्चे को इतना शॉक लगा, he started saying no, I will not ask. I will only speak when I am feeling safe. Otherwise I will not speak. So understand that ये जो fear of speaking up is coming because he has a fear of being put down, rejected, shamed, ridiculed. He has a fear that if I speak, what will the person think of me? वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा? What if he leaves me? What if he goes away? What if he disapproves? Suppose I speak up in my company. What if my manager takes it adversely? What if he gives me demotion? Yes or no? It is a fear of the unknown. But we have to first bring it in awareness that I have got a fear of speaking up. Any other fear which is coming in minds of people?
Yeah.
Why we don't have to speak?
Fear of making mistakes, fear of failure.
Fear of making, yes, fear of failure, yeah.
Lack of knowledge.
Yes. Fear that I have got lack of knowledge and I don't know what to say. Maybe I will tell something very stupid. Maybe let me not talk in group. आज सब लोग बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहे हैं and if I talk in group, possibly they will all laugh at me. वो कहेंगे क्या कुछ खाली बातें कर रहा है. So it is a fear of lack of knowledge. But understand, हमें इसकी positivity बाद में समझ आएगी. पहले fear को तो निकाले. Because जब तक fear रहेगा, we will not be able to understand that you have to understand that this lack of knowledge, see what is not important to you might be important for the other person. Who are you to judge कि मेरी knowledge less है? It might have happened earlier. Somebody might have ridiculed you, somebody might have rejected you earlier. But it is not the case now. How can you classify yourself that I have lack of knowledge all this time? Yes or no? भाई एक बार हो सकता है, दो बार हो सकता है. But now you cannot label yourself that I have got lack of knowledge. And unless आप ये fear of speaking नहीं निकालोगे, you will not even be able to actually face the situation and know what all I need to learn. आपको fear of speaking हटाने के लिए what is the best remedy? The best remedy is, yes, first we'll release the fear of speaking, but we are talking about after the meditation. We have to develop self-esteem. We have to know that our opinions also count. We have to develop love for ourselves. Vishuddha Chakra is directly connected to the Swadhisthana Chakra. जिसका स्वादिष्टान ब्लॉक होता है, उसका विशुद्ध 100% ब्लॉक होता है. When you don't respect your own identity, you can't speak. So सबसे पहले we have to respect our identity. Today understand, आज हमारे सामने सचिन तेंदुलकर भी आ गया और हमने कुछ चक्र के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछा, he won't be able to answer. So we can't say that he is less than us. So understand, knowledge तो diverse है. You will find people who will have knowledge pertaining to what you know. So we have to associate with the right kind of people. Probably you were ridiculed earlier because your knowledge was not as per that group. And best is that first is develop that self-esteem, know your own opinions, know your thoughts, expand your awareness by reading newspaper, seeing the current events. आजकल मैक्सिमम लोग ये जो स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह देखते हैं, they don't see because they enjoy it. They see it because they can share with their friends. कि देखो इसने गोल किया, इसने ये किया. It's okay, it's not wrong. At least you will be part of a group. So you have to read newspapers, you have to form your own opinions, and that helps when you communicate. But सबसे important है, you have to release this fear. क्योंकि जब तक fear होगा, it will keep you in grips. और fear के नुकसान क्या होंगे? What will be the disadvantages of not speaking up? Other than thyroid, other than insomnia, other than asthma, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती हैं जब आप नहीं बोलोगे? Yes.
Become antisocial.
First is you become antisocial. You can't mix with friends, relationships. आप mix नहीं कर पाओगे. आप कहीं पार्टी में भी जाओगे, आप सोचोगे मन ही नहीं करेगा पार्टी में जाने का. आपको लगेगा क्या फायदा? I'm just a listener. I can't contribute. First is you miss out on relationships. Second, yes. What else is the disadvantage of not speaking up? Yes.
Lost opportunity.
Very good. You lose opportunity. Maybe a nice girl is there. आपने उसको प्रपोज ही नहीं किया, उससे बात ही नहीं करी, वो गई आपके सामने से, she married somebody and mentally. Loss of opportunity.
Not realizing the reality. I mean, when you don't speak up, and you don't have to know what is the reality after that.
Super. When you don't talk, आपको पता ही नहीं लगता है. You can't talk to that person. You can't even understand वो person ने ऐसा क्यों किया. We make our own presumptions. हमें आंसर ही नहीं पता लगता है कि why that person did it when we don't talk. Like today, suppose your spouse comes late or something happens, he did some action, he gave money somewhere and all. If you don't speak up thinking that if I ask him, झगड़ा हो जाएगा, this, that, आपको reality समझ नहीं आएगी what he has done. And finally it will become poison within you. So one is yes, that you will not come to know, you will not come to know the reality. Don't you think it will adversely affect your career? जब आप express ही नहीं करोगे कंपनी में, आपका बॉस भी it will even come out in your expression. आप जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे कंपनी के लिए, आप प्रोजेक्ट का काम करोगे कंपनी का, everything will show up. क्योंकि आप उसमें भी तो वर्ड्स को खा लोगे ना, उसमें भी तो आपका एक्सप्रेशन will be compromised. Today in a company, which person is promoted? A person who gets along with everybody, who deserves to be a leader and a manager. Yes or no? If you are a very good follower, आपकी सैलरी इंक्रीज